After Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram, their parent company Meta has launched another social media platform named the Thread on July 6. As we all know that there is a fight going on between Elon Musk and Mark Zuckerberg for a very long time. So to compete with Elon Musk, Twitter, Mark Zuckerberg has launched another social media platform just exactly like the Twitter. Its name is Thread. So in today's video we will discuss about what is Thread, how to use it, and how to create a channel on Thread. Instagram Thread, also sometimes known as the Thread, it is a text-based platform where you can write or discuss on any of the topic and connect with your favorite celebrities. Here are all the features of the Twitter, and now let's talk about how to install and how to use it. So friend, you can able to see screen recording on your respectively screens. Firstly, we all go to our respective application stores and write on the search Instagram Thread. So here it is what you see at the second number, and now install it. This is taking too much time to install. This application is now completely installed in my mobile. Now let's open it and see how it is. You all can see the interface of the application. It is loading very slowly. This is my Instagram ID. Get ready for Thread. Here now you can click on import from Instagram. As you can see, my photo as well as my name is written on here. Now click the continue button. Follow the same account you follow on Instagram. Now here you guys are seeing the names of my friends, and if I want I can also follow them here. How Thread work, powered by Instagram, the Fediverse, your data here returns. Now click the join threads. It is loading. Here this page is open. This is real interface of Thread. So friends, you can search and message someone in the same ways. So friends, here you can also change and edit your profile picture and share your profile with anyone. This is so simple to use. If you like this video, please like it, and also you can write in my comment section how is this application, and also you can please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.